A Chattanooga couple returns from an Ohio federal court where judges will decide whether to uphold same-sex marriage. The appeals court is hearing cases challenging gay marriage bans from all 4 states in its circuit. News Channel 9's Brianna Arredondo joins us now with more on the story. Brianna.
Kim, judges heard from attorneys on both sides over the past 2 days, and it's unclear when the court will make its decision. But driving up to Cincinnati gave one Chattanooga couple the chance to show their support for what they believe is right.
A polarized debate on both sides. Same-sex couples fighting for their right to marry and those vows to be recognized. This Chattanooga couple got married in Washington, D.C.
So for us in our minds and to the federal government, we've changed as a couple. We are now committed to each other legally.
But Tennessee sees these two as strangers, not spouses.
Even if we fill out living will, advance directives, and have all that filed with an attorney, our families, if they chose to, could still override that through the court system.
That's why 3 other Tennessee same-sex couples are suing the state and went to Ohio to argue their cases before federal judges. The 6th Circuit Court of Appeals in Cincinnati held a hearing on gay marriage bans in 4 states, including Tennessee. The Smiths were there as attorneys presented their case for marriage equality.
And to stand up and say, you know, we may face discrimination, hate, even employment termination, but we're not scared to publicly stand here and support equality. It was so powerful to hear some of those stories.
But state lawyers who want to uphold the ban say it protects opposite-sex marriages. They say the purpose of marriage is for procreation.
It's not. It's so much more than that. Yes, that's part of it because you do want children to grow up in a loving home, but so many children don't have a mom and a dad. They have either. You know, I want to know that we were on the right side of history and that we can be proud 10, 20, 30 years from now of what we stood for.
And the couple says that they are optimistic of a ruling against the ban, but at least one judge showed skepticism. If the federal appeals courts decide to rule against same-sex marriage, then that will put pressure on the U.S. Supreme Court to settle the issue for everyone.